Hey everyone, my name is Andrew. I am the exercise floor lead here at Kalkstein Chiropractic. I'm going to show you guys how to do bench press with proper form. Alright Jesse, so what we're going to do here is we're going to lay back on the bench. I'm going to emphasize 5 major points of contact. So we have both feet, we have our butt, both shoulder blades, and the back of our head. What we want to set up on the barbell here is, I like to do it just about where my chin is. I don't want it right where my nose is because I feel like that's kind of too far back. You're gonna have to put your hands on the bar here. Jesse's a little bit taller guy, wider guy, so he might be able to spread his arms out a little bit more. I typically take my ring finger and go right here on this little knurl. Go from there. What we want to do when we set up the barbell is we want to make sure we're not unracking it from behind our head and pulling it forward. It's a lot of wasted energy, it's a lot of wasted time in our setup. So what we want to do is unrack it straight out and pull it off. So Jesse here is going to unrack it. See how he's set up right in the position to go down? So he's going to take this part of the barbell, take it right to the middle of his chest. He's going to explode up, and as he explodes up, he's going to yell, "Lightweight, baby," in honor of Ronnie Coleman, the king. Stop! Cool. You know?